we're going to learn how to do a little handstand on these bars here, and then possibly we may work into moving from bar to bar. And it's just going to be simple, getting up there, getting your balance, holding on, and maintaining form. There's a couple different things I can show you once I'm on there that I'll point out after. Alright, once you're up here, it's a lot of wrist control, maintaining your form and your balance. Now to go forward, well, it's kind of windy out here, but to go forward, you can kind of just kick one of your legs back some. That's how you can go forward. Then when you want to remount,